we are going to remove this archive word from our blog page, or the category or tag label from our category and tag archive. So in this tutorial I will use two methods to do it. One is using CSS, another is using custom PHP code. Hi everyone, I am Ferdows. I am a WordPress expert for over 14 years of experience, and I built on a WordPress site. In this channel I share my personal experience and knowledge to make you a WordPress expert from novice. So let's discover our today's topic. So the CSS method that I am gonna use is this one, and the good part is when you use this CSS code you will not need any plugin to resolve the issue, but the downside is it may not work on some side because this code is hard coded. So another thing is like the word that we will hide will still be available in your website HTML code. So if you are still okay with it, then you can use the custom CSS method or skip to the PHP code method that I shared later, which is actually good for every site, and it will work perfectly, I believe. But the downside is you will have to install a plugin or install a child theme to apply that code. So let's begin with the CSS code method. So the code I use it here, I will share it in the video description. You can get from the video description. So copy the code and go to your website dashboard. From here go to appearance, customize. Once the customize is loaded, click on additional CSS and paste the code. So here what it will do is like hide the archive word from the blog page. So basically this is our blog page. If I click on it, right now it's showing archives. So what this code will do is hide that word totally from your blog page, but the other code that we used here will work on other archive pages such as your category archive or your tag archive. So what is your tag archive? For example, if you click a post and tag it, you see this one. So this is the tag archive. So this two code I added here will hide those tag and category word from your archive pages. It will also work on other archive such as author archive, date archive. On those type of archive, this code will also work. So you can use that code. So I'll now hit the publish button, and now if I refresh the page, you can see the extra level is now gone. Here if I refresh this page, you can see the tag word is now gone, and if I refresh this page like my blog page, so you can see the blog archive is gone. Okay, so that's how you can use the CSS code to hide the archive word or other archive title level from your site that using Hello theme. Now the next is PHP method. So for PHP method I'm gonna use this code. I will also share this in the video description. So we will use this code, but to do this there is two way we can do it, like using a plugin. Okay, let me first disable this code because we are gonna try a new method now. So I will disable this code now. Okay, So for the plugin, for the PHP code, we will need a plugin. So for the plugin, we will use code snippet. I already have installed it. If you don't have it, like search, go to add new plugin and search for it in the plugin repository. So if I now search it, so here you can see the plugin is already activated on my site. So make sure you install and activate it. After activating it, go to snippets, add new. Here give it a title like hide archive level. Okay, now copy the code and paste here. Okay, and make sure to hit save changes and activate button. Okay, so this code will now hide the like a blog page archive. Look, now the blog page archive is hidden or remove it, but there is a new title which is blog page, and this is the title from my this page actually. So if you want to change it, you just need to update the original page title, which is right now is blog page. However, if you want to hide this title as well, then just use this line of code where I mentioned it, hide archive word from the blog page. So just use this code with the PHP code that I shared, then it will not display this anymore. Okay, so now if I check the category page, you can see the category level is now hidden, and if I check the tag page archive, you can see the tag level is now also hidden. Okay, so this was our plugin method. But if you don't want to use plugin, then there is another way, which is using child theme. So before using child theme, I will now deactivated the plugin. So this is for the user who don't want to use a extra plugin to just for adding a code. So instead we will use a child theme of Hello Elementor. So now I will search Hello theme child. So we can download it from GitHub. Okay, so once the GitHub is loaded, click on this button and use the download zip option. So now the zip version will be downloaded. So here you can see the zip is not downloaded. I will now go to appearance, themes, add new theme. So and hit the upload button, and I will upload the Hello theme child. And hit the install now button. Alright, and let's activate it. So a child theme is like a theme that using codes from its parent theme. Like this one is its parent theme, but if we want to extend the parent theme, we can use child theme without affecting the parent theme code. Okay, so now I will go to the theme file editor. Once the child theme is activated, go to theme file editor. From there we will open a function.php file to paste the sorry. So here we will now go click on the theme functions and paste the PHP code that we used before using a plugin. So this is the code I'm gonna copy. So make sure you copy all the code while copying, don't even miss a semicolon. Okay, so now I will go at the bottom, and from here I hit enter and create new spaces and then paste the code. Okay, so the code is now pasted. So now I will update the button to save our changes. Okay, so now if I refresh the page, you can see it's working fine without any plugin. Cool. Yeah, one thing is like if you still confused how to use this, hide this title, let me show you again. Go to customize, additional CSS, and use this code only with the PHP code, of course. So yeah, okay, publish. So now this title will be hidden, and other archive label will also be hidden. You see the archive label is now hidden, and if I check the tag is now also hidden. And the fun part is we don't need any plugin for this. Okay guys, thank you, have a great day, bye bye.